There are lots of different types of glue available these days, and they all have different characteristics. Here are some examples that might help you to decide what glue to use for household repairs, etc. Superglue. Here's a chipped precious plate. Superglue can fix this. Open a new tube and pierce the top with the top provided and refit the nozzle. Just apply a small drop. Now fit the chip and hold it for 10 seconds. Sets hard in the presence of moisture. Soon after opening, superglue will set hard in the tube. Leave the top off and stand it upright and it will stay liquid longer. Wood glue. Now wood glue is very handy. But this is what happens if you know preparation. So you'll find that it comes off very easily. So what you need to do is use a sanding block and sandpaper and sand both surfaces flat. Apply glue to both surfaces and clamp to leave to dry for a few hours. You'll find that it works very well. And if sometimes we could tear the wood apart. Here's another job for wood glue, a resin ornament and a wooden base. Prepare both surfaces and apply glue as before. Press together and leave it to dry. It's also suitable for model making or making cards and crafting. Add a little water if it's too thick. 2-part epoxy adhesive. Now here's an example, a cracked handle. The handle just won't stay on the file. Epoxy glue will do the job. Squeeze out equal amounts again, mix 2 parts together, force the glue into the crack and apply it to the end of the file. Fit a clamp and leave it for an hour or 2. The handle is solid and just won't come off. Refit the gaps. Contact adhesive. Now it's sometimes called Evo stick. Here's an example. Clean both surfaces and apply glue to both. Spread evenly and allow it a few minutes to dry. Press firmly in place. Now, if staining comes through when painting, seal with gloss paint, then emulsion when dry. 2-part epoxy with fillers. Squeeze out equal amounts for both again and mix together and apply. Now this can take a long time to dry. Can be filed, drilled, etc. Grab adhesive. Usually used with a gun. Here's an example. Plywood is cut to shape, cartridge fit to the gun, adhesive applied to the back and plywood tacked in place, and allow a few hours for the adhesive to set. Finish by painting. How's that? That covers some of the common types of glue on the market. There are different brands available, all do much the same job. Thanks for watching.